Good morning, student. Today we are going to start solving question for retirement of a partner. Okay, for the retirement of a partner. Before to starting the question, I like to explain again. If any partner taking retirement of his business, then we are going to give all the related thing which is required to by the partners, and then the goodwill, two type of goodwill, valuate and appearing goodwill divide in our distributed in all partner. Valuated goodwill, first we are going to calculate the share of retired partner, and that goodwill will distribute or taken over by remaining partners. Okay, only this thing is new. And after the making of capital account, we are taking the balance for the remaining partner, and by the following of instruction of the question, on the basis of that, two cash or two loan we are taking for the retired partners. Okay, beta. Now I am going to start the question 32. It's a first question. X, Y and Z are partners. Okay, their profit sharing ratio is equally. Okay, beta. The profit sharing ratio is X, Y and Z 1:1:1. Okay, clear? Up to this no problem. Then balance sheet is given. Z retired. It's retired. Okay, and on the date of retirement, some instructions given for the revaluation. So first we are going to make the revaluation. Revaluation account. Okay, beta. Let's start with the revaluation. Freehold property be valued at 5,80,000 and old freehold property is 4 lakh. Now new value is 5,80,000. Increase in revaluation, any assets will increase. So we are going to show on credit side. One lakh 80,000. Old is only 4 lakh. Old is 4 lakh. And new 580. Then 180 increase. Investment is be valued 47,000 and his stock is valued at 94,000. And investment value is 50,000, but it's valued 47,000. 3,000 loss. So 2 investment 3,000. Okay, and then 96,000 valuate stock, but stock value is 1 lakh. 96 means 4,000 less. Then next, the provision for doubtful debts 5% on debtor, and debtor amount is 2 lakh. 5%. 5%, 2 lakh, 5%, 10,000. 2 lakh, 5%, 10,000. Next, trademark are valueless. Trademarks are valueless, and trademarks value is 20,000. Then 2 marks 20,000 this side. Valueless means nil. Nil means loss, and loss is there. Then we are showing on debit side. Next, an item of 12,000 included in the creditor is not likely to claim. One creditor is there, they will not likely to claim to you. Then you have get the profit. Then buy creditor 12,000. Okay. Then next, nothing related with the revaluation. Then we are just closing this revaluation. 192 192. Then profit, okay, 0 0 0, 7 and 5 2, 1 remain, 4 5 9, 155. The star value 94 is beta, it means 6,000. Okay, then 3. Okay, clear? Divide in distribute in x, y, z, 1:1:1. It means 151,000, 51,000, 51,000. Now we are going to calculate. After this, we are going to calculate the goodwill, and then entry. After that, we are going to make the capital account. Just see goodwill. Okay, the valued goodwill is given or not? Goodwill is to evaluate the 1 year purchase of the average profit of past 3 years. So first goodwill is equal to average profit into number of purchase year. Number of purchase year. Okay. Number of purchase year, and average profit is equal to total profit upon number of profit year. Okay, so total profit last 3 year 1,20,000, 1,95,000, 1,20,000, 1,95,000. Divide by 3. It means 0,005, 1, 3. Divide by 3, 105, 1,05,000. Then goodwill is equal to 1,05,000 into 1. It means goodwill is equal to 1,05,000. Then share of Z goodwill 1,05,000 into 1/3, because his ratio is 1/3. It means 35,000. Okay. And this 35,000 divide in x and y. Okay, no new ratio is there. Any new ratio is there? No. Then in a old ratio 1:1, it means 17,500, 17,500. Okay beta, clear? First we are going to calculate the goodwill. After the calculating of goodwill, we are going to take the ratio of Z, and then Z ratio distributed in x and y. Okay, and then entry x capital, y capital, debit to Z capital, 17,500, 17,500 and 35. Okay beta, up to this is clear or not? Tell me. Up to this is clear or not beta? Okay, it's clear. Now I am going to make the what? Capital account. Okay, I am going for the capital account. Just see how to make the capital account and what type of changes coming in the capital account. Take the difference between the capital account which we are going to make in a time of admission and on the time of retirement. Okay beta, just go for starting the capital account. Okay beta, capital account, 3 partners, 3 partners. Okay, X, Y, Z, X, Y and Z. So first we are entered by balance BD, the capital of all partner, and the capital of all partner is 3 lakh, 2 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 2 lakh, 2 lakh. Okay. Then go with the revaluation. Profit is there by, and profit is 51,000, 51,000 and 51,000. Okay, beta. All the thing is needed to distribute to the partner. Are you saying all the thing which is made by the profit, that all taken by the retired partners, because it's his right. Okay, beta. It's his right. Then journal reserve is there. By journal reserve, and the value of journal reserve is 60,000 equal 20,000, 20,000 and 20,000. Okay, beta? Clear? 20, 20, 20. Then this side, asset side, one goodwill is there. So 2 goodwill and value is 31,000. Sorry, 33,000. 11,000, 11,000 and 11,000. Up to this is clear or not? It's the same we are going to utilize in admission, same way. On the same way I am going to make this capital account. Everything is same. Now we are going to post this entry. By X capital, by Y capital in Z. 17,500, 17,500. Now here these two are debit, then to Z capital 17,500, 17,500. Okay, clear or not? Up to this is clear, beta? Up to this is clear. Now what new we are going to make in retirement? Just see. First we are going to take the total of our balancing of Z only. 2 lakh, 2,50,000, 2,70,000, 3,05,000, 3,06,000, because it is, these two is 30, 30 and 50, 20, 50, 50, 51 lakh, 3,06,000, 3,06,000 beta. 3 lakh, take the balance. 5,000, 9, 2. Okay. See the amount. Loan. See the Z loan. 2,95,000. Okay. In the question nothing is given, then we are transferring this amount in loan. If they are telling something, pay by cash, pay by this, pay by that, so then we are going to show the cash or bank. Okay, beta? Then we are going to show the cash or bank. But nothing, so then we are showing only loan. Now it's finished, then we are going for the others. And this 2 lakh, 2,71,000. It's 3 lakh, 3,71,000. 3,71,000, 2,71,000, difference 005. Okay, 005. Then 1 is remain, 7,819,000. Okay, beta? 0, then 7, 8, 9 and 8. 9 and 8. 0, 9 and 8, 7. Okay. 1 is given, beta. 71,000, 2,71,000. Okay. Then 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 7, 9, 9 and 2. 1 11 remain 1 1 1 1 3 and 4 and 2 240 2,42,500. Just see, it's okay. 2,42,500 beta. 2,42,500. It's clear? We are first taking the balance of which partner? The retired partner. Okay beta? Then we are going to take the balance of remaining partners. Okay? So first we are getting the balance of retired partner, then remaining partner. The amount is 2,42,000. Okay? 2,42,000. Now take the difference. This 005. Again 1,1,1,2,9,2. Okay? Then remain 1,1,1,2,1,3, 4 and 3. 342. 342,500. Okay, it's coming. 342,500. The pen is given the problem. 342,500. Okay, clear. And 242. Okay, clear? Up to this, clear or not? Beta, clear na? Only this is new, and that amount is to balance CD. This going in balance sheet. This is also going loan. Okay? It means the difference amount or balance amount the retired partner we are going to show as a loan. If nothing is given in question, then loan, and other partner, remaining partner, take a balance. Okay beta? Take as like a balance. Okay? Go for the next. Next is the balance sheet. Only new thing is calculate the goodwill and take the entry, make the entry and then posting of that entry. Only this thing is new. Other thing is same. What you are using in admission, same we are going to post here. Okay beta? Balance sheet. Okay, capital 3,42,500 X and Y 2,42,500. It means 0, 0, 0, 5, 8 and 5. Okay? 0, 0, 0, 2, 2, 4, 1, 5, 8 and 5. Then loan Z 2,95,000. Okay? Now go see in the book. Other liabilities, creditors. Okay beta? Creditors and provident fund. Creditor amount is 1,09,000. Creditor amount is 1,09,000 and 12,000 not likely to pay. It means 0,007 here 9. Okay? Then provident fund. Provident fund amount is only 20,000. No change in provident fund beta? No change in provident fund, I think. Any change? Nothing. Then this side 0,007. 1 remain. 9, 9, 18 to 20, 28 and 1, 29. 2 remain. And 9. 99, 7,000. 9,97,000. Okay, clear? It came cash in hand or bank. Cash in hand or bank. Okay, amount is 86,000. Okay, then other thing is debtor and stock. Stock. Debtor 2 lakh. 10,000 less, that is provision 1,90,000. Okay, then stock is 1 lakh and stock reduced by 6,000, so directly put 94,000. Okay, 1 lakh less 6,000. And then investment amount is 50,000, but its new value is given 47,000. It means 50,000 less 3,000, 47,000. Okay, next freehold property. And freehold property increase 4 lakh given in question, and 180 increase 580, 5,80,000. Anything else? Nothing. Just add 0 0 0 7 1 remain 9 9 18 18 and 6 6 6 6 6 sorry 8 8 16 4 20 and 18 38 and 39. 3 is remain 5 6 and 9 9. 9,97,000. Okay beta, it's came clear how to make all the things. Clear or not? Only new thing is beta, one treatment of goodwill, and second is the difference is taking of Z, the retired partner, showing as like a loan, or in the question is given the cash, so then cash, and other partner balance we are taking as like a balance and then transferring capital account and then loan account, and other thing is same as like in last balance sheet or last capital we are using. Okay beta, clear? Okay, thank you.